So one of the first things that you need to do is, of course, get a store up and running. Now, the best way to do that is by using this AI store builder. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you already know how easy it is to use. They're going to load the store with winning products from a particular niche. It's going to come with high converting and customizable themes, and it's also going to come with ready to sell product pages. And even though you may have seen this on my channel before, the only reason why I'm showing it to you again is because they've made recent changes when it comes to the type of store that it's able to build. So of course, I'm going to leave it down below. You can check it out. Once you visit this page, you're going to click this link over here and just simply follow through with the steps. It's going to take no more than, 5 minutes max. In this case, I'm going to select that I want to build a pet store. I'm also going to make sure that I activate my Shopify trial so that I'm going to be able to use this store for an entire 3 months. But once you go through all of the steps, you're going to see that you've now got access to your Shopify store. So I'm just going to click on this link over here. And this is the pet store that it was able to build me. And no word of a lie, everything that you can see on the screen right now, I didn't play a part in it. All I did was use the AI store builder and it was able to take care of the rest. All of the formatting, the fact that it's optimized for both laptop and mobile phone, all of that was done without any interference from me. And of course, all of these different best-selling products have been loaded to the store as well. These different grooming products, these, brushes for dogs. So this store is already positioned really well for me to be able to add an ebook to it. And this ebook is going to be a great way for me to be able to generate sales. And it's also going to be a great lead magnet when it comes to publishing short form videos on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. But I'm going to quickly run through how I would make an ebook and how I would list it on this brand new site that I was able to build. And bear in mind that everything I'm showing you in this video is an example just to kind of illustrate how the side hustle works. And the example that I'm going to be using when it comes to making the ebook is going to be this one over here. So it's going to be an ebook about how to groom your dog in the best possible way. And the tool that I'm going to use to help me do this is going to be Gamma.app. As you can see on their homepage, it says over here that Gamma is going to be able to use AI when it comes to design, effortless presentations, websites, social media, and much more. And of course, you're going to be able to use it when it comes to making ebooks. So you can sign up for completely free. It's free to use and try it out. I'm going to leave it down below with all of the other tools. So I'm just going to click into log in so I can access my account. And from here, what you need to do is click on generate. Now there's going to be some specific things that you need to do when it comes to telling it that you want to make an ebook. So one of the first things that I'm going to do is increase the length of the ebook. In this case, I'm just going to select 15. Then what I'm going to do is click on document. And finally, you need to come over here to where it says default and click on A4. And literally from this point, all you need to do is tell Gamma what type of ebook you're looking to make. In this case, I'm just going to write something simple and say that I want to make an ebook titled How to Groom Your Dog Correctly for New Dog Owners. The good thing about Gamma is that it's going to be able to look at what you typed in and take care of the rest. Now, of course, if you want to be a bit more specific, be a bit more detailed, you're going to be able to do that. I'm just trying to keep it straightforward. So I'm just going to leave it like this and click on generate outline. And what generate outline is going to do is that it's going to come back with the chapters that's going to be in the ebook. So this looks pretty decent. Of course, if I wanted to change any chapter before I actually click on process for it to make the ebook, I'm going to be able to do that. But everything seems okay, especially for the example that we're working with today. What you may also want to do is just scroll down here, select a theme, a color code for the ebook. I'm just going to leave it on, let's click on view more. I want it to be something basic. So I'm just going to click on this one, select theme. And finally, what you want to do is make sure that this is also selected in terms of detailed, because you want it to put a lot of text on each page because of course you're going to be selling it. So you want it to have as much value as possible. So far so good. I'm just going to click on generate and see what it's able to come back with. And there we go. It's now gone straight to work to start producing the ebook, as you can see on the left hand side over here. So it's doing it automatically. I'm not speeding anything up. It's able to put all of the text in the ebook, as you can see on the screen. This is the reason why I recommend using AI tools, is because it's going to take away a lot of the heavy lifting from you. If you had to come up with each and every chapter, if you had to come up with all of the information in each chapter, it would have taken you maybe 2 weeks to do that. But by using a tool like this, it's going to speed up the process and it's going to give you a great foundation to work from. And there we go. All 15 pages have now been completed. Now, for you to add more value into it, you're going to need to, of course, add images to, all of the pages if you want. Depending on how you want to structure the ebook is down to you. But if you did want to add any image to it, you're going to be able to do that on the right hand side over here. Just click on images. And if you want to add an AI generated image, you're going to be able to do that. I'm just going to add a unsplash image. I'm just going to drag that over there just like that. And I'm just going to type in dog just to show you how it works. I'm going to put this image. Let's close that down. And if I wanted to, move it to, let's say, the column, I'm going to be able to do it just like this. Okay, so that's already looking professional. And if I wanted to do a similar thing on all of the pages, or if you wanted to do it, you're going to be able to easily do that. And it goes without saying that you need to read through the entire ebook, make sure that all of the information is correct to the best of your ability. Remember, you're going to be selling it. And once you're happy with the ebook, all you simply need to do is click on these 3 dots, come over here to where it says export, and then you're going to simply export it as a PDF. And when it comes to making an ebook cover, the way that you can do that is by using something like Canva. Now, Canva has over 20,000 templates for ebook covers. Now, I've just typed in the word dog ebook cover, as you can see right there. And I'm just going to use any one of these as an example. Let's click into this one right here. The good thing about Canva is that it's easily customizable. If I want to remove that, I'm going to be able to do it. If I want to move this image around this one over there like that, if I want to change the text, let me just change it to how to groom your dog, just like that. Of course, this is pretty basic. You may want to switch it up even more because you don't want to use the exact same ebook cover that's on Canva. You may want to maybe change the color of the background. Let me change it to a different one. If I want to, do whatever, I'm going to be able to do it. But I'm sure that you get the point. I'm just going to leave it as it is and I'm going to export this. And when it comes to actually being able to upload it to your Shopify store, you're going to be able to do that by going back over to it, installing a specific app. I'm going to install, let's type in digital downloads. I'm just going to install this because this is what you're going to use when it comes to fulfilling all of the orders that you're going to get for the digital products that you're going to sell. In this case, an ebook. So I'm just going to click on install. And literally all you got to do from this point is just click on products on the left hand side, come over here to where it says add products. And all you're going to do from this point is insert all of the information for the ebook that you just made. And to save time, I've just filled out all of this information. I've uploaded the image. I've also put the description and the title. And if I just come over here to show you what it's going to look like on the store, this is what the customer is then going to see once they land on my store. So as you can see, it looks really professional, really well done. And literally everything that you saw me do in this video led me to this point. And the good thing about this side hustle is that with this ebook, I'm going to be able to sell it, but it's going to lead people back to the other products that's also on my site as well. So for the most part, I would say that that's what you need to know when it comes to doing this side hustle. Now, I'm sure that most of you are probably thinking about, Sam, how exactly are you going to drive potential traffic to the site to be aware of the items that you're selling? Now, there's a number of different things that you can do. One of the first things is to publish blog articles on your Shopify store. Basically, the way that this works is that once you've built your store using the AI Store Builder, you can then connect it to a Google Search Console account. This is going to allow Google to know that your website exists. And then from there, what you're going to be able to do is use ChatGPT or any other AI writing tool when it comes to publishing blog articles on your Shopify store for you to be able to rank your store in the Google search results. Another thing that you can do is use a tool like InVideo AI when it comes to publishing short form videos, again, on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, even Pinterest, for you to be able to put information out there about the ebook that you just made, and then use that short form content as a way to drive traffic to your store as well. So InVideo AI is free for you to check out. You just need to click the link in my description, come over to this page, create your account by clicking on AI sign up. It's then going to take you to the interface. And if you want to make a short form video, just click on this option over here. Say that you want to make a fast paced video for whatever platform. I'm just going to click on Instagram Reels. For the topic, I'm just going to say that I wanted to make a video about how to groom your dog as a new dog owner. And then I'm going to say that I want it to use subtitles, and I also want it to use English language, and I want the accent to be American as well as female. The good thing about InVideo AI is that you're going to be able to use it over and over again when it comes to producing however many short form videos that you want. I'm just showing you how to use it when it comes to making your first one. So you're just going to click on continue just like that, and then click on generate a video. Okay, perfect. So there we go. Within a couple minutes, it was able to come back with this fully edited AI generated video. As always, I'm just going to play maybe all of it, a few seconds of it, just so that you get the gist of what type of videos it's going to be able to make for you.
Is your dog looking a bit rough? Here's a quick grooming guide. Start with a gentle brush to remove any loose fur. Next, comb through to detangle and smooth the coat. Don't forget to check those paws. Trim nails carefully. Now for a quick bath, use a dog-friendly shampoo. Rinse thoroughly and towel dry. Finish with a final brush for that flawless look. For more tips, check the link in bio.
And just like that, I've now got a short form piece of content that I'm going to be able to publish for me to be able to build up awareness for this new AI store that I was able to build. Now, just as a quick disclaimer as I end this video, I just want to say that everything I said today isn't a get rich quick scheme. It's not going to happen overnight. You're still going to have to put the work into it. But the key thing is making sure that you've got the information and the knowledge so that you're moving in the right direction. If you think that you're going to try this and within 24 hours, you're going to become Warren Buffett, that's not going to happen. It's going to take patience and consistency, and it's also going to take discipline as well. Now, if you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something from it, press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. I've got many more videos coming out over the next few weeks when it comes to this particular side hustle, and you don't want to miss them. And if you also wanted to watch a recent YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where I break down some of the best ways that you can use AI technology when it comes to starting up a side hustle from the comfort of your own home, you're going to be able to check that video out by clicking the link over there. Watch that straight after this because it's already helped out so many people. I've gotten so many positive DMs from people that have been able to benefit from it. So I'm sure it can also help you out as well. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.